Hey, what's going on, digital world? DMiLLiZ here. It's Monday, April 20th, I believe. Let's check. Why doesn't it show me the date straight off the bat? Yes, Monday, April 20th, guys. 2020. And we're living in Corona times. Now, I just watched a video by DMiLLiZ. I think that's how you pronounce his name, but he runs the channel called Create Quantum Wealth, and I was sent this video by a friend, and he was basically saying in the video, Dan Penna was saying that the world will never be the same. The world will never be the same, and it's true. You know, we saw after 9/11, what happened after 9/11, right? Customs got really strict, you know, to go to other countries. It wasn't back to usual. It wasn't, you know, back to normal after 9/11. Things really changed around the world in 9/11, if you don't remember. But 9/11 was an event that, you know, was in New York City, like, you know, one location. But this is like a worldwide event, this coronavirus. So the world will never be the same. What do I think about this? Well, according to this guy, Dan, he was saying that, you know, tourism will never come back, retail will never come back, travel will never come back. So if you own businesses within retail, travel, tourism, just consider yourself, you know, out of business. You know, you're gonna go out of business if you don't adapt to the situation. But he was also saying that there are many opportunities that will arise, and he was actually grateful for coronavirus because, you know, he has cash to scoop up the opportunities. But what do you think about this, guys? Do you think we'll never go back to normal? I personally think we will never go back to normal, and a lot of people are hoping for this to end soon, and I don't see it happening anytime soon at all. I see this going on for at least another 5 months, and that could be devastating to every economy, the world economy. But it will also usher in technologies that have been creeping along, trying to be birthed. For example, virtual reality. Right now, virtual reality should be, we thought, in the homes and in the lives of people around the world, but it's not. So technologies like this will be, you know, pushed, accelerated faster because of this coronavirus, because people are at home, they want entertainment, they can't get to travel, they want to travel virtually. So, you know, the price is going to meet the demand and the timing, and then virtual reality takes off because of corona. Blockchain technology, this thing that most people don't understand, that people think it's trying to solve problems that don't exist by creating problems in a sense. Well, blockchain technology, I feel, will also be accelerated because people are realizing the importance and the need for no middlemen. Just check this situation right here, yeah? In Jamaica, there was a lockdown, and many Jamaicans get remittances from overseas, right? From relatives in America, the UK, Canada, and they send the money through MoneyGram. Now, people have to go to MoneyGram and pick up cash in a lockdown, in a curfew. There was a long ass line of people that shouldn't be there, you know, no social distancing. There was a ton of people I saw because there's one MoneyGram in the entire town, so everyone was there collecting money. Why are these ancient type businesses necessary in these times? So coronavirus is going to accelerate the growth and adoption of blockchain technology. So in the digital space, guys, if you can get a hold, if you can be involved in the digital space in any way, you know, blockchain, virtual reality applications, online business courses. You're gonna be winning in the new industry. Online lessons via Zoom. You're gonna be winning. Of course, there's many other opportunities, many other opportunities. But I really think this virus is going to, or is showing us, and will help us to accelerate technologies that have been just lagging because of the comfort zones of the populations of the world, the laggards who don't want to adopt the technology. Coronavirus is going to force them to adapt to this technology, guys. So that's something interesting to see. So is this the new normal? I think so. But even if it's not, it's going to accelerate the pace and adoption of technology. DMiLLiZ, bless up, guys. So tell me what you think, guys. Do you think this will be the new norm? Do you think this is forever? Alright, guys.